Variobond is a solvent-free, thixotropic epoxy bonding paste and filler, suitable for bonding various materials to properly pre-treated steel, aluminium, wood or GRP surfaces. Always use the recommended personal protection during application. After cleaning, degreasing and sanding, the surface should be degreased one more time with double coat degreaser. To remove the last specks of dust, you may use a tack cloth. Open the lids of both components carefully. Weigh the desired quantity in a clean mixing cup. Add the hardener to the base in the correct quantity. 100 parts by weight base with 50 parts by weight hardener. Stir the mixture thoroughly in a mixing cup on a flat surface until it is a homogeneous color. Apply the Variobond mixture by spatula, putty knife or squeegee. Variobond can be applied in thick layers and doesn't run off vertical sides. Press the parts to be bonded into the Variobond and fixate them. Wipe away excess material and smoothen the surface as much as possible to prevent additional sanding after curing. After 24 hours curing at 20 degrees Celsius and sanding with P120 or P180, a next coat of Variobond, Variopox impregnating resin, Variopox universal resin or Amopox HB coating can be applied. Above the waterline, sand with P220 or P280 before applying one of the double coat products. Putty knives and other tools may be cleaned with double coat degreaser. Good luck!